It's Apple Tech again. Today we are talking about business ideas, and if you know you haven't watched some of the videos that I've created, you can first go in my playlist and you check on those videos. So today we are going to talk about how to create business sections in an electronic shop. I want to give you sections that you can create even if you have a small capital or a big capital, or sections that you can consider when you are starting an electronic shop. So what do I have for you today? When you are creating an electronic shop, make sure that you choose sections that will sell most. For example, we have accessories, we have phones, we have TVs, and the kitchenware. Those are among the things that sell most. But when you are choosing and you don't have enough capital, you have to consider accessories in number one, because it's among the things that sell every day. For example, what do I have in accessories? We have chargers, we have phone covers, everything that goes with a phone is called an accessories. And then in number two, we have phones. Phones, you can start with smartphones, which are cheaper. They also sell every day, especially these small phones, they sell also every day. Then in number three, we have electricals. Electricals, as you can see on the screen, these are among the things that sell also every day. And we have, if you're close to people who are doing installations or building new houses, these are things that sell every day. And for example, bulbs, there are things that get damaged every day. You can as well start with those things. Yes. Then you'll forgive me about the sound, because I make these videos from my shop. As you can see, there's a lot of noise, so you will forgive me on that. Then in number four, we have these sections of TVs. It is among the sections that you can start with, because in electronics, most especially sell, and it's the one that indicates that this is an electronic shop. If you don't indicate this in your electronics, it will not indicate, or it will not show as an electronic shop. Then we have also these accessories for home stuff. For home stuff, you have to make sure you involve this section as well. So consider number one, accessories. Then in number two, make sure you consider phones. In number three, consider electricals. In number four, consider these TVs and the homeware, but just put small things for the start. Then you invest all your money in number one, number two, then little in number three as well. So guys, that is what I had for you for today. But you can as well go into my previous videos you watch. I've created for you many videos about how to start up businesses. I've also created another video about business ideas. So if you haven't got any idea to start with, you can please go to those, you choose what you can start with, or the business you can start as well. So guys, thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe not to miss the notifications for the next videos. Thank you.